Does the thing. I guess just hold in the back, right? This part? Yeah. Just hold it up in the front. Actually, this one's lighter than the well, I guess it's the bulge or not. That was a little tricky. Actually, these are lighter. Yeah, the thing is, the 08 ones are fucking heavy as hell. Oh, you got stronger over here, yeah.
Nah, this looks light. Oh no, this part is heavy.
Oh yeah, this one is, yeah. That's smaller. Imagine smaller, this is smaller. Yeah, that's about 14. And then pop out the actual. That's not it. She ain't bad. Whoa.
It's just the opposite.
What? I don't know.
Yeah, surprisingly small.
It is. If you get number, give it. Go ahead. I'm not sure if I heard it right. I'm thinking.
Funny, that freaking that snapper one did. That thing couldn't even take a one line now. Yo, what the hell? Oh, just you're just gonna unbolt this.
Yeah, see. Golden.
Yeah, these cars aren't too bad. It's just.
It's not bad. That ain't bad at all. You want to buy a gun, you gotta go to Milwaukee, man.
This one only got 2? There's some. Oh no, it does got 3. It's showed in the back. Can't see it.
Nothing perfect with it.
You're just bored, you know? Just bored.
You want some more power this one.
Bracket. We don't. 19?
I'm talking about my e-brake now.
It's like 5 minutes, 10 minutes away from the city.
Oh, yeah.
Stoplight, boom, that's him.
Yeah?
Yeah, bro. So I got all these crazy stuff right here for all the heat wraps and shit. And you already know, bro, this motor's gonna be. Yeah, you already know.
You gonna lock it up when it's done?
Yeah. Oh.
He like it.
I like what you said.
Just snuck it in there and shit.
I like what you said, bro. Hell yeah, bro. I mean,
See all that money you spend righteous for no reason.
Yeah.
No,
No,
it has a
I thought
fucking
I thought the transmission was changed. That's what I was
No,
thinking.
no.
Because I'm like, all the right, you know when you
You're
go
right,
to
it's my real right.
whatever. Geek. Oh shit. Damn, bro. Yeah, because I saw all the writing. You know when you go to like JD and Depot, they write the stuff on it.
Nah, yeah, that's somebody like some regular people know. Some people do that, like the dealerships or a shop.
Right.
They write and let you know, like it's a kind of a general knowledge.
Okay.
Like you're like, oh, the clutch was serviced back in 2017. That's a long time ago, bro. What's that time for?
You said not a long time ago.
Not that long, but
Yo, if I would have saw you on the highway, we would have had no choice.
We have no choice. I'm the same way too, man. I'm like that. You pull up next to you, rev up, you call me out. We going at it.
I really got a rev up. I would have just saw you.
Insane.
The same way with me. Like I said, when we were chilling, I would chill with my RSX.
Yeah.
Nobody wanted the sauce. Darnell pulled up like, fuck,
Only
let's
me
go.
with the damn B series. All these K cars, I was the only B. Nobody pulled up next to Craig but me. I lost. So it's all good.
At least you're honest, bro. It is what
But
it
think
is.
about it. I only
Bro, listen,
got
man.
like 207 versus.
Listen.
You know.
Listen. A man beats you. I'm not a sore loser, bro. It's fine if I beat
Yeah,
you.
nah,
You know why?
I was
because
laughing.
it means, yeah. No, for me, I look at it as a learning experience. For one, and two, you can't win them all, bro. And
Nah.
for three,
Nah.
it kind of gives you a perspective of where you're kind of stacks up. You feel me?
Yeah.
That's how I look at it.
I can take it.
Some people are like that dude on Walker that Craig showed in the video. He hurt, bro. He bought.
Nah, motor should be fine.
The
Oh,
guy in
that
the video,
yeah,
bro.
that white
He hurt, bro. He's like,
He don't need this one.
bro,
Don't filter too much.
he wanna cry, bro.
He do want to cry.
I'll just hold it. That's it.
My man looks like he might be shedding a couple tears over this shit.
See what you got, bro.
Yeah, it's a stock clutch with
Yeah,
a
I'm
light
about
one.
to say.
Nothing crazy.
Jesse got his screen shutting off on me.
Yeah.
Nothing special.
Nothing special. All right.
Yeah, look at that bullshit.
It's good, DJ.
I look at the ball. I'm going back and forth. You better give your soul to God.
Hey, Craig, what clutch he has again?
You got Exetti stage tuning?
Maybe stage 2. Same flywheel too, Exetti flywheel?
Yeah, I think so. You be playing. I can't do that. I guess we'll pick the motor and we'll put it on the car.
Blood clot. Hopefully I can go back to work, man. Tomorrow. Today is over with.
Bumble.
C16.
C16.
Yeah. 8 horsepower.
Hold up. Hold it right there.
Fancy.
Go up a little bit.
Up?
Yeah, a little bit. A little one. All right.
Of course they'll play beat with that.
Well, look at the ting. The ting is in there.
Is in.
Couple more boats. Oh shit, who's shooting?
manufacturer, the lines you got, that got towards like an RBC manifold. Isn't it?
No, the ones I got for this, the special graded lines,
Yeah.
for this, it's for the Scum too.
Ah.
So he made it specifically for this to replace those OEM ones.
Oh, okay.
So they're all labeled from
lines are there, only with antifreeze pipes. Only lines that you have on the motor?
So this is his, right? Same thing.
Yeah.
One
the exhaust gun or make a point for cooling?
no, well, digital, but that's the thing. Like, if you got
It's a 2 point.
2 point?
or something.
Almost.
No, when
You'll be doing that though, right? Like
no,
a 20,
you're bored,
26.
You
You're
get
like,
the
what
motor
in the world?
sleeved out, and just when you could go bigger. Like you could go 80, you go 88. Cause you know, come once you, the bigger the piston, less more likely to have head gasket problems.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, like you're pretty much the bigger the bore gets, but the outer diameter stays the same. So you're running less and less head gasket between the cylinders.
But you
That's why
need
when you build a big engine, you could be a retard. Oh, I'm gonna go 90 mil bore on it. All right, but you get like 2 runs, you gotta change the head gasket. That's why I learned that people build motors. Sometimes I build
That's
stuff
funny.
to last. I like to get my money's worth. That's why some people are like, oh, how come you don't have how come you don't throw M1 and you do all this crazy? Like, hey, everybody could do that. But I like to build my stuff to last at least 2 years or a year and a half or so.
Even the one you have on your wife's car, that thing's still going. Same engine.
That motor, that's a friggin'.
Isn't it? It's been the same engine. You haven't really ever messed up. Like,
Yeah, that's a 9-second
Cool.
car. We're gonna go. That car comes out. We're going 9 next time that car comes out. All day.
you still have it back there?
Yeah, you know, there's a 6-inch. Pre-Christmas. You gotta get back to your town. You can go back and burn on the East Coast.
we be doing with. This is a year.
I'm surprised you're not on the phone making a point with Puna yet.
No. I want to.